October dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you from where you can get this viral Instagram trend. So keep on watching. First you have to go to your Instagram app, and then from there you will have to go to Ali and John YTT. So click on the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. Now to find that sticker you will have to go to October, add yours at highlights, or after I will do the story you can wait and I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. So now you can go to your upload and choose some photos for our October dump. To add your first photo, you just have to go to your uploads, and then to add a second photo, you have to make your first photo smaller, and then go to stickers from the top, and then scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get it to your gallery once again. But I will leave just one photo at the moment. So now you can share this story with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Ali and John YTT Instagram profile, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on that. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful. You can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can also comment in the comment section down below your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.